passport is missing. I have no money, and my phone is dead. Oh no, where is my passport? Wait, it's not here.
I checked my bag, nothing. I checked my pocket, nothing.
My heart, it is beating so fast.
Hi. You look worried. Is this your passport? I found it near the gate.
Oh, thank God. Yes, this is mine. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Be careful.
Let's learn 2 important words.
Word 1, immigration. The airport passport control area. Word 2,
Compartment.
compartment. A small section inside a bag.
I tried to buy a train ticket.
What? Transaction. Declined. Declined. I tried again. Transaction declined.
Now I was worried. My phone battery was only 3%. I needed help.
So, I walked into a nearby bank.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, my card is not working. It says transaction declined.
I see. Your card is fine, but international transactions are blocked. Don't worry. I can fix it for you right now.
There. Try the ATM again.
It worked. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Finally, my card works again. Now I can go to my hotel. Sir, your room is not ready yet.
I was so tired. My phone was dead. I had nowhere to sit. Then, I heard a voice.
Hello again. Antony?
Grace? What are you doing here?
I live nearby, and I just finished my shift at the bank. Are you okay?
My hotel room is not ready. I have to wait for hours.
Oh no. Wait. I know the manager here. Let me talk to them. Hello, this is my friend. He has been traveling all day and is very tired. Could you please give him a room?
Sir, because you are a friend of Grace, we have upgraded your room. Welcome to London.
Upgrade? Wow. Thank you so much, Grace.
Let's review the words.
1. Immigration. The airport passport control area.
2. Compartment. A small section in a bag. 3. Transaction declined. The bank refused the payment. 4. International. Between different countries.
5. Upgrade. Getting a better room for free.
Remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Practice every day and your confidence will grow. See you in the next lesson.